What's good, you guys? It's your girl Michelle here, and I'm back at it again with another video. Now, if this is your first time ever being on my channel, then you already know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna ask for you to smash that subscribe button and join my family. And if you're already part of my family, then welcome back, fam. Welcome to another video. I'm so happy you're here to tune in with me. I'm back at it again with another banger, okay? And while you're at it, make sure you turn on that notification bell, because that's the only way you're gonna be notified that I upload new videos. Now, for today's video, this is a special video. I am doing a hair review. As you guys have seen, this brown hair has made a debut on my channel. Typically, you guys do see me with either black hair or light brown hair and this and that. Comment down below if you prefer me with like lighter brown hair, or if you like me with black hair, or if you like me with any other color hair, because I have a couple of different hair colors on this channel. But personally, for me, I love me with like light brown highlights. I think that's just really nice and it complements my skin tone. You guys let me know what you think. But yeah, let's get into this video. This hair review is going to be quick, and then I'm going to show you guys some clips of how I got this color. This did not happen overnight, y'all. I'm telling you guys, we'll get into it, okay? And that's not due to like the hair, but that's due to the frontals that I had. So let's just talk about it. Today's video is in collaboration with the Black Bonnie. I am so excited to do this hair review. Number one, because this is a hair review that's very near and dear to me. And the reason being is because it's my friend's company and I'm the first person to review her hair. So that's super exciting. But this will be a very honest review, just because I want to see all my friends winning. So you have to be honest with your friends to be able to see them winning and doing well with their business ventures. I have some friends that are boss babes, so you know, let's just put each other on. That's all I'm saying. Let's collaborate, let's work together, let's build each other up. I'm all about that. I'm here for it. Girl power, feminism, let's do it. But yeah, so Black Bonnie is a hair company that was created by my friend Shakur. This is a friend that I actually met in Mississippi a couple years back from this program where we were both mentors, and ever since we've kept in contact, which is awesome. And I'm so honored that she's having me review her hair. She sent me her Brazilian body wave. She sent me 3 bundles of the Brazilian body wave, and they were all 20 inches. I will say that those were true to length for sure. They definitely are. And I will say that the bundles are very full, and I appreciate that. The hair took well and it colored well. Do you guys see that? It took really well. This frontal is not from her. This is a frontal that I got off of AliExpress actually. But I don't know why I didn't get a frontal from her, to be honest. But next time I go around, I'll definitely get a frontal from her. As far as it goes for packaging, it came in, I believe, a black, yeah, it came in a black bubble wrap, which was, you know, cute, nice, standard. But I really like what she had inside packaging. Not only did she have hairnet, she had bobby pins, she had incense, she had lashes, and all of that, and hair ties, like, and an edge brush. This girl hooked it up with the packaging. So you guys will definitely see. I already recorded clips of me doing my unboxing, so I'll include those clips right here. But did that. I think my favorite aspect was the incense. I've never seen that before, ever. So I thought that was super cute and very thoughtful. So I loved that about it. The bundles are pretty full, so I like that. I actually feel like it's kind of too full. Like, I feel like my unit's a little too full, but I like it. It's just maybe I put too much hair in, but it's a good thing. We definitely live for some full bundles, so I appreciate that. Like I said, they're true to length. Some of my bundles I kind of kept like the black, so it's, as you guys can see, this is what it looks like once you've kind of dyed it. And then this is what it looks like naturally. So I kept some bundles in the back, like black, and I wanted it like that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna insert the clips so you guys can see me coloring it. Overall, I would definitely recommend checking out the Black Bonnie. Not only does she sell units, she also sells bundles. She has bundle deals. She sells full lace wigs. She sells frontal lace wigs. So definitely give her a check out for sure. I can guarantee you will not be disappointed at all. Anyways, I know that you guys want to see this color, so that's enough about me going on about the hair. I would absolutely recommend. It's really good quality. Even with me bleaching it, it took a dye well. It lifted easily, so I will definitely recommend it. When I said that I had issues with coloring, it wasn't because of the bundles. It was because of the first frontal I had, and then I had to buy another frontal so I could match my bundles, and here we are. So it wasn't because of the bundles, it was because of the frontal I initially had. So yeah, let's just get into the dyeing clips. Oh my gosh, you guys, so the one time I tried to dye this hair and film for you guys is the one time everything went downhill. Right now I'm just showing you guys what the wig looked like after I constructed it. Then I ended up using those little frosted little tips that you can use to help highlight hair, so a little highlighting cap, and I put that on the wig. So the first time I dyed the frontal I originally had, I used this cap and I plucked the hair out, as you guys can see, and then eventually I dyed that. However, the original frontal I had was trash, so it ended up coming out super brassy, so I had to buy a new frontal that would lift correctly. So at that time I ended up just using the weaving method, and as you guys can see, this hair lifted, and this is the old frontal. It was very brassy, so I dyed and dyed and dyed until it ended up just looking like some Ronald the McDonald hair, and then I had to buy a new frontal. As far as it goes for my Black Bonnie bundles, they lifted beautifully. Very easy to bleach. I had no issue with the bundles. However, I had an issue with the frontal. And the frontal is what's going to lay on top of your head. You're going to see most of the hair from the frontal. So until I was able to get a new frontal, I had to make do, but I'll add the clips of what it looked like once I got a new frontal and bleached that. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Again, don't forget to tell your mama, your brother, your brother's girlfriend, and your auntie and your grandma to join my family, and I'll be sure to see you guys in my next one. Definitely be sure to check out Black Bonnie, the Instagram as well as her website. I'm here for it. Let's support these boss babes. Let's support these black businesses. I want to see everyone winning 2020, and I can't wait to try out other textures from Black Bonnie. But other than that, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.